fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Cell phones may now be used, however, laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once you arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury, as items may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a Frontier customer service representative will meet this flight upon arrival at the gate and will be happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft, as this will allow us to better assist you. For those customers who live in the Atlanta area, welcome home. For those who are just visiting, we wish you a pleasant stay. On behalf of your crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today. Be sure to visit flyfrontier.com the next time you travel to get our low fares done right, even if that slogan is grammatically incorrect. And if you've had half as much fun flying with us today as we've had serving you, well, then we've had twice as much fun serving you as you've had flying with us.